1958 Chevrolet Corvette, 2024 Range Rover, 2021 Lexus LC 500, 2019 Mazda 3. Also, I think we have some new 5-packs. Good morning, guys. Once again, we are Walmart. And I can see there's nothing for the premium, Hotwheels premium. But what I can see is some new Matchbox. Wow. Let's see, guys. And we have the 1980 Jeep J10 of step side. Let's go. '58 Chevrolet Corvette. Ooh, real nice. 2021 Lexus LC 500. Ooh, we got this one on red one. Remember, guys, the same casting. And we have the 2025 Ram 1500 rep. Let's go. 2019 Mazda 3. All black top. '24 Range Rover, Fuel or Feet. '1917 Toyota Land Cruiser 78. '23 Ford E-Transit Custom. '97 Toyota RAV Off-Road Horse Route. Nice. Ford Police Interceptor. And I think also these ones are new too. Road Roller. We already got this one. And we have the Mazda 2004 RX-8. '70 Citroen 2CV. '23 Toyota RAV TRD. Ooh, this one's a nice one. Nice. I like this one. And 2023 Toyota Prius Prime. Nice. Also, I think we have some new 5-packs. I think this one's new too, also. Yep. Nice. All right, guys, I think this is it.